What would happen if we replaced the moon with a giant mirror? What would happen if one day the moon turned into a giant mirror? Could humans even survive under a super shiny, super reflective moon? Let's find out. With a mirror moon, the world would get a cosmic level sunbeam. And it would shine dozens of times brighter than the moon we know. Our nights would become almost as bright as daytime. Sleep. Good luck. Not even blackout curtains would save you. More reflected sunlight means more heat for Earth. The climate would get noticeably hotter. More reflected sunlight means more heat for Earth. The climate would get noticeably hotter. When the sun sits low in the sky, the mirror moon could reflect sunlight straight into cities, like someone in space using a giant mirror to play with sunbeams. In some places these glares would be strong enough to damage your eyes, blind pilots, or overheat surfaces. Astronomy. Over. No galaxies, no nebulae, just a giant glowing blotch across the sky. Good news, if the moon's mass stays the same, tides and orbital physics stay normal. Bad news, everything else doesn't. A reflective sphere spreads light in many directions. But some of those beams would still become powerful hot spots. The phases of the moon would stay, but now they'd look like glowing pieces of mirror. Some phases would even be brighter than today's full moon. Could humans survive? Yes, but you'd need nighttime sunglasses. And heavy blackout curtains. Nights would be so bright you'd barely need artificial light. But sleep issues would skyrocket. One upside, free illumination. But nearly everything else about the mirror moon is a problem. Final verdict. Humanity would survive, but barely. A mirror moon is a terrible idea. Probably best to leave the moon just the way it is.